This is a 2011 Hyundai Tucson. In this video, we're doing some AC maintenance on this vehicle. This is the old AC condenser that was in the car. And this is the new AC condenser that replaces it. Looking at the old condenser, you can see the areas where it was leaking and why it required to be replaced. This kind of damage to the AC condenser is very common on all kinds of cars. And in fact, this is one of the first places that I look when a car has an AC leak. And this was not visible with the bumper cover on. In this video, I'm going to show you the easy way to replace the AC condenser. So keep watching. An important step in doing this job is getting the bumper cover off. The bumper cover has one bolt and one plastic fastener. You also remove the undercover from the engine so that you can remove the bumper cover. After you remove the bumper cover fasteners from the wheel well, you remove the fasteners that are along the top of the bumper cover. Once you do that, it should pop right off. And there we go with the bumper cover off. We have clear access to the condenser. By the way, this is the suggested method in the factory service manual. The lines going into the condenser bolt on right here. This side air dam is removed by sliding it up. It has two clips on the back like this. I've already used my AC recovery setup to draw down the refrigerant before I open the system. This new condenser fits perfectly. It's pretty amazing for a part that only costs $60 or so. This is the part number for the replacement condenser, and it's worth noting because it's a perfect fit. I'm going to include the link to this part in the video description. With the new condenser in place and the lines connected, all we have to do is use a vacuum pump to draw down the system. Next, we recharge it with refrigerant, and after all that is verified, we put the bumper cover back on and we're done. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.